calm down for a minute because the anxiety, everything going wrong right on Christmas Eve. Presents wasn't ready. Chicago's outfit doesn't fit. He doesn't have shoes. We can't find where they went, so we're borrowing some from a cousin. Just one of those days. But that's like how it is every day, actually. Shy, do you have any idea what you're getting for Christmas? What do you want the most for Christmas? A puppy? Girl. So last night, Saint was saying his prayers, and when we were saying them together, he just kept asking God for a puppy. And then he just begged and begged and begged all day, like came up with this whole plan of how Christmas Day we're gonna go to a dog shelter, we're gonna try to adopt one, and if he does a good job, then he gets to keep it. Well, does he know he has a puppy now? Your Christmas present. By the reaction, tell me if you think you'll like it, okay?
No, you're telling me to go, oh my gosh!
No, I'm not. It's gonna be whatever their natural reaction is, because they have no idea, okay?
Oh my gosh, that's so cool.
Okay, 1, 2, 3.
No way!
I'm
Wow.
telling you. I'm telling you.
Oh my god!
No, don't! I'm trying to grab my phone! No, I can't ruin your present. No. I'll go downstairs. Actually, should I put on my diamond earrings? Okay guys, so I just want you to know that I recently got my ears pierced at Claire's in Hawaii. And I have these tiny little earrings in. It's like all I like to wear is my Claire's earrings. Because for the longest time I didn't have my ears pierced, and every time I put in an earring I would have to like re-pierce it. So I thought that I would make life easy and just get them done again. As much as I love my Claire's earrings, every once in a while a girl's got to step it up and put on some Lorraine Schwartz jewelry. Wow. Let's see if we like it. These earrings.
So good. So good. Oh.
OMG.
Wow. Wow.
Santa.
Wow. It's so cold in here all of a sudden. All this ice.
So I have trees, Christmas trees right out in my bedroom. We have down here, you can see the beautiful setup. We have Pierre setting up a light so we can take our family photo that we do every year. It's chaos all the time. So I used to just have, you know, this is a rental house while our house is getting renovated, and I used to have this big gorgeous tree in the middle, but it didn't feel magical, you know? So I just want a little bit of magic, and that's why I did the trees. I'm trying to think of how many. We did a whole household raffle of everyone guessing how many trees there were. Okay, I'll show you guys our wrapping this year. So North really picked out the wrapping. I love like fabrics. I think my family hates it because it's really hard to open. Oh, I think we should have scissors. Every Christmas, we all wear the same pajamas. So I wanted to match our pajamas with our wrapping, which I thought was just so cute and so textured and amazing. And these are like the best flannel pajamas. Snow keeps falling on it from the trees, and I think it looks really cool and festive. I was like, what's this? You cut your bangs right here. Oh my gosh. How cute is this, you guys? Will you FaceTime Lorraine to show her the bangles? Okay, look at the whole thing with the bangles. Hold on.
Wow. Now that's fresh. And it's so different than everything. I love it.
Right?
Wow.
Yeah.
Look insane. Look at her. I don't know. Are there any hot guys there tonight?
No. I doubt it.
I
hope Santa's good to me this year.
All I want for Christmas is these earrings.
Exactly. This is a vintage Terry Mugler runway look with Lorraine Schwartz diamonds that I borrowed for the night that I wish Santa would get me.
And Merry Christmas, guys. Some nice, cute little smiles.
I forgot my nails. After all of that. Black or pink?
Pink.
Black, pink.
In your area.
Kim.
Dancing, she knows the song. All right, we're off to our Christmas Eve party. That was just us taking pictures and I'm already exhausted.